If you don't like feeling frustrated but still want to grow, then listen up. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived an old man known for his wisdom. People from far and wide sought his advice. One day, a young boy came to him, upset and angry. "Why is life so unfair? Why do I always face problems?" the boy asked. The old man smiled and handed him a cup of tea. As he poured, even when the cup was full, he kept pouring, letting tea spill everywhere. "Stop! The cup is full," the boy cried. The old man paused and said, "This cup is like your mind. It's filled with anger and frustration. How can I teach you anything new if your mind is already full? First, empty your mind of negativity, then you'll have space to learn and grow." The boy realized he needed to let go of his frustration. From that day, he looked at his problems differently, learning from each challenge. Moral of the story: when we approach life with a calm and open mind, we can find solutions to our problems.